Okay, so how to batch resize images in Photoshop? Very easy. You open Photoshop without opening any file or anything. Just go here, File, Scripts, Scripts, Image Processor. Okay, and then here you will get the folder where the original pictures are, the ones that are unedited yet, of course. Yeah. Oh no. Where do I have those? Here, to edit. So yeah, this folder. And then here in number 2, you will put the where do you want to save the images. So I want to save them. I'll create a new folder here. It's gonna be called finished or something. You create a new folder if you don't have a folder, and then you're gonna call it newly edited pics. Okay, there, and you select it. Okay, select. Okay, so we have where they are, the originals, into edit, where do they want to go. Okay, and that's it. And now what do you want to do? What's the resize? Here, see, file type. You're gonna save it as JPEG. The quality, I put 8 because it's a good quality and it's a little compressed, but it won't be noticeable. And then I'm editing for a platform that needs certain size. So I'm putting 350 times 350, and that's it. That's it. Nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else. Okay. Run, and you will see the magic happen before your eyes right now. I hope it does something. My computer is a little slow, but you can see it's thinking right now. Okay, it's thinking. So it opens one image, it opens the next, it saves it. It opens it, it resizes, it saves. I'm doing this automated for my online shop because I need to resize all the images of the products, and there are like 50 products that I have to retouch, and this would have been hours in the computer, but I do it this way and it will be a matter of a few minutes. Okay, so that's it. And whenever it's done, it will finish and you can go on with your life. Okay, so that's a quick tutorial. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share this video because we're a new channel and it will definitely help us. Thanks.